If your home sustained damage in the latest windstorm, I have some great advice for you. First, if a tree has fallen on your home, or if you have sustained other kind of major damage, call the insurance right away. If the type of damage that you're seeing is blown off shingles, call a reputable company like Excel Roofing before you call your insurance. Excel will assess the damage and let you know if the best decision is to file an insurance claim or just pay out of pocket for the damage that happened. Depending upon the age of the roof, the manufacturer of the shingle may pay to fix the damaged shingles under their wind warranty. Different manufacturers have different coverages, so the wind speed needs to be documented, and then the manufacturer's warranty needs to be consulted to see if there's responsibility for the manufacturer to pay for these blown off shingles. The reason why this is so important to not call the insurance company immediately is because the amount of your deductible may exceed what the total cost is to repair. You do not want to file a claim for roof damage that costs $500 to repair if your deductible is going to be $1,000. You do not want to get a claim on your record unless you're going to get paid for this. Excel Roofing's minimum repair charge is $350. We charge $18 per shingle to replace damaged shingles. The cost per shingle may be lower depending upon the amount of shingles needed to be repaired. If there's 75 shingles that have to be repaired, the cost is going to be lower. For some homes, the cost might be higher. If you have a 2 or 3 story home that is steep, the cost to repair shingles on this type of structure is going to be more. Generally, if more than 25% of the shingles have blown off the roof, then the insurance will pay to replace the entire slope or potentially the entire roof. A final note, not all roofing companies perform repairs. I know this sounds crazy. The reason why is because most roof repairs are small and the dollar amounts and low profits don't make the company much money. Many companies do not want to deal with this. Because Excel has a full service repair department, we can take care of all of your roofing needs, small to large. Thanks.